LinkedIn carousels are one of the fastest ways to grow your audience, build authority, and generate leads. But most people struggle to create them consistently because making a great carousel takes a lot of time. You have to research the content, write the copy, design every slide, keep the branding consistent, and somehow make the whole thing look professional. The good news, AI can now do most of the heavy lifting for you. In this video, I'll show you how to create professional, high-engaging LinkedIn carousels in under 10 minutes using the free version of Claude. And these aren't generic AI carousels. They look like they were designed specifically for your brand by a professional designer. Before we jump into the setup, I spend a lot of time figuring out these AI workflows. If you appreciate that, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and productivity tips. All right, let's jump into it. Before we build anything, I want to talk about why most AI-generated carousels look so bad. The issue is that most people just type, "Make me a carousel about productivity," and hit enter. What they get back has no personality, no visual identity, and no consistency. The fix is simple. You need to teach Claude your style before you start creating. And the way you do that is through something called a skill. A Claude skill is basically a saved set of instructions that Claude loads automatically every time you create content. Once it's set up, you never have to explain yourself again. Here's how to build yours. You don't need to build a skill from scratch. After experimenting for a few days, I've built a carousel system that handles everything: the design, the layout, the slide structure, the download buttons. All of it. You can use it to create your own carousel skill. Go to this page. You will find the link in the video description. Go to the bottom and open the download link. Download the skill file. This is the skill base. I have developed it after experimenting with Claude for a few days. Now copy this prompt. It will help you customize the skill base for your own use cases. Now let's go to Claude. Open Claude and start a new conversation. Upload the file you downloaded, then paste the prompt you copied. Claude will now ask you 7 questions, one at a time. Things like your name, your LinkedIn handle, your brand color, your tone. Answer each one. It takes about 2 minutes. Okay, I have answered each question. When you've answered all 7, Claude shows you a summary of your choices. Confirm it. Claude will generate your personalized skill file. It will take a few minutes. Once Claude has generated your skill file, download it. Quick pause. If you're watching this channel, you're clearly someone who wants to actually use AI, not just learn about it. So I put together something that'll save you a lot of time. It's a free pack of more than 150 expert-built prompts and AI skills. It covers strategy, marketing, sales, content, and operations. The link is in the description down below. These aren't generic AI prompts you find on social media. Every single one is built from proven business frameworks and best-selling books. I read through over 60 business books and built these prompts from those ideas. So instead of starting from a blank page, you're essentially starting from decades of business knowledge. If you've ever typed a prompt, got a mediocre answer, and spent an hour fixing it, this is what fixes that problem. It's completely free. Link is in the description down below. Now back to the video. Now head to Customize in the left side menu. Then Skills. Click on the plus icon. Then upload a skill. Upload the skill file. That's it. Your carousel style is now saved inside Claude. Your brand color, your fonts, your audience, your call to action. It will automatically apply all of it every time you make a carousel going forward. You only have to do this setup once. Now the fun part. Open a new chat. Then type something like, "Write me a LinkedIn carousel brief about the 5 biggest mistakes people make when writing cold emails." If you want your logo or profile photo on the slides, upload it now. I am not going to do it for now. If you don't want Claude to create the slide from scratch, you can also provide it your notes or a blog post or Twitter post. Then ask it to create a carousel brief from that. Claude won't start building yet. It will first give you a plan: the hook, the slide outline, the key points, the recommended slide count. Read through it. This is your chance to set the content. You can swap out any slides you don't like. I will say, in slide 6, change to writing emails with AI and sounding inauthentic. Claude will change it and give you the new brief. Happy with the brief? Now tell Claude to build it. Generate the carousel. Claude is building the full carousel. It will take a few minutes. Claude renders the carousel as a live interactive preview right inside the chat. You can swipe through every slide. It will apply your color scheme, your typography style, your layout patterns, and your content flow. Because you've done the skill setup, this doesn't look like a generic AI template. If you don't like anything, you can likewise tell Claude to change it. For example, I can say, remove the first line from slide 1. In the rest of the slide, increase font size by this much. Claude will change the design. Since the slide is created using code, there will be no hallucinated text. Claude will make the exact change you request. Below the carousel preview, you'll see a download panel. Once you are happy, download it. Every slide saves as a numbered image, ready for LinkedIn. To post on LinkedIn, you need to combine them into a document. LinkedIn carousels are uploaded as document posts, not individual images. You can do this for free at ilovepdf.com. Upload your slides in order, download the PDF, and you're ready to post. If you are posting on Instagram, you can directly upload the images. The reason this works so well is because you're not asking AI to guess what your brand looks like. You've already told it your colors, your fonts, your audience, your voice, and it remembers all of that every single time. That's the difference between carousels that look like everyone else's and carousels that actually build a distinct, recognizable personal brand. If you found this useful, drop a comment below with what topic you're going to make your first carousel about. I'd love to see what you come up with. If you want to go deeper and get even more out of AI for your business, I've got another video you'll love. Check it out right here.